Semi-med, mine C. Mine C up to semi-med for only 76. Mine C up to semi-med for only 76 pesos. Mine C. Mine C semi-med for only 76. Mine C. Next, madam.
Mayan C for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine C for only 76 pesos. Down this one, C2 din siya, madam. Large to XL. Large to XL, mine door. Mine door, large to XL for only 76. Mine door, large to XL for only 76. Down C2 din siya, madam. Mine door, large to XL, 76. Mine door. Next, madam.
Mayan door for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine door, large to XL, 76. Down this one, 10 over 10 ang pagka-block. 10 over 10 ang pagka-block, madam, up to semi-med. Semi-med, mine luxury. Mine luxury, semi-med for only 76. Mine luxury, semi-med for only 76. Mine luxury, semi-med for only 76 pesos. Mine luxury. Mine luxury. Next, madam.
Mine luxury for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine luxury for only 76 pesos. Down this one. For only 76, cute, only the most multi semi-med. Multi semi-med, mine cute. Mine cute, multi semi-med. For only 76 pesos, mine cute. Mine cute, multi semi-med. For only 76, mine cute. Next, madam.
Mayan cute for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine cute for only 76 pesos. Down this one, 76. 10 over 10 ang pagka-block medium, madam. Mine trial. Mine trial, 10 over 10 ang pagka-block up to medium for only 76. Quality yung tela, mine trial, medium, madam, for only 76. Mine trial, medium, for only 76. Trial. Next, madam.
Mayan trial for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine trial for only 76 pesos. Down, wait lang, madam. Down this one, small, crop top lang siya, madam. Small, madam, mine crop. Mine crop, madam, small for only 76. Mine crop up to small for only 76. Mine crop. Mine crop up to small for only 76. Hello, madam, check kami nade. Madam, check kami nade. Ay, na-replyan ako, dam? Wala pa ka na-replyan, madam, check? Gi-review ni ko, dam. Nag-invoice gahapon. Gi-review siya, madam. Ay, mong item na sulod. Feel ako, dam, managka-change yung kasulod, madam, sa plastic, eh. Naa siya ka, madam, patch. Patch, dam? Patch, dam? Usa to? Naa siya dito na plastic, madam. Pero i-review ko to siya, madam, ipa. Yes, pasit, madam, patch. Patch, dam, ba to? Patch. Dito ang imong gipangita, madam, nasa iya. Grabe, sure, mag-ana, sure. Nasa iya, ha, ang katong imong gipangita, madam. Down this one. Wait, i-ano kayo, madam, sitaw gani, madam, siya, PM na sa page again, madam, para maano ni admin. Okay? Down, my crop. Hello, madam, PM Compian. Good morning, madam. Down next, madam, for only 76. Down next, madam, ha? Down next, madam, for only 76 pesos. Down this one, down, kulangan lang siya ng butones, down ha, 76 pesos. Kulangan lang siya ng butones, pero okay naman siya wala, up to medium. Up to medium, my user. My user, madam, medium, madam, for only 76. My user, up to medium, for only 76. My user, anak kita ba no? Mura mag-naa sa kwan ba? Mura mag-naa sa kanto. My user medium. Next, madam.
My user for
Gani,
only...
madam Chef. Sige lang, madam Chef. Yan na sa page, madam. Ano yan, madam? Dara si madam Inta. Hello, madam Inta. Hello, madam Inta. Diyan ka pala, madam Inta. Sorry, madam. Akala ko si Patch. Sakto di ay Patch them. Patch them. Madam Inta, dam, sakto na ba ito ang na-invoice sa imuha, madam? Parang white. Ay, naka-violet should lagi. Dam, PM kayo sa page, dam, hala. nagkabaylo yung exchange. Actually, ina niya may na. Mato ka, boss. Okay, sinabihan ko na si admin, madam, na i-exchange kasi, madam, baka nagkabaylo lang or nagkamali lang ng suludang ba. O, daw, thank you so much, madam. Wow, parang magazine. Magazine sa Marlboro, madam. Marlboro, ganyan. Magazine sa Marlboro. O, daw, this one, medium. Medium for only 76 mine gray. Mine gray, madam. Medium for only 76. Mine gray. Si Madam Che, kami natin si Madam Inda. Patch them. Mine gray. Medium for only 76. Mine gray.